Happy Saturday. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Cassady with your forecast. We've got a lot going on over the whole week. We've got rounds of snow and some much colder temperatures. Let's take a look at those headlines here. The snow, the first thing, we even had some snow earlier this morning. If you did not see it when you woke up, it was there, but already melting as we have some more of that sunshine. So it's the light rounds all the way throughout the weekend. And then as we go into next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, really the days that we're watching, still a few days out, but as far as those totals, definitely something we're keeping an eye to. Of course, it is much cooler already compared to the last couple of days. That cold front moved in overnight. Temperatures much more seasonal as we go throughout the weekend, and then another surge of that Arctic air that arrives Monday night. So again, Tuesday and Wednesday, watching for those colder temperatures. Biggest concern, biggest impact for this weekend, of course, if you are traveling out and about, especially up into the mountains, be careful. Those slick, icy conditions that will continue as we also continue with all of the rounds of the snow. Today, your afternoon high temperatures, we got 30s and 40s all the way across the board. Really, this is where we should be for this time of the year. And then with the northeast wind around 10 to 20, giving a little bit more of that breeze and a slight wind chill factor. That's also the case for tomorrow, not moving a whole lot here. And then we will add in some light snow as we go throughout the day, mainly staying to the west underneath that cloud cover up in the high country. Flurries on and off, not amounting to a whole lot. And as you can see, for the rest of us, just the mix of sun and clouds. As we go into tonight, the snow starts to redevelop by about 8, 9 o'clock, staying light. That moves in as we go overnight and clears out pretty quick. So even by tomorrow morning, not having a whole lot left over and even lighter accumulation. So not seeing too heavy of those totals. As we go throughout your Sunday, we are keeping the sunshine around. Temperatures, as we saw, in the same spot and still some of those breezy winds. Then Sunday night, here comes your next round down to the southwest corner. That fills in by your Monday morning. Rest of us, we are staying on the dry side. By your Monday evening, about 4 or 5 o'clock during the evening commute, start to see some more of those snow showers develop to the north. That will push through the metro as we go into the evening, overnight hours into early Tuesday morning. This pattern that continues again, as mentioned before, with Tuesday and Wednesday, so definitely something we'll be keeping a close eye to. Snowfall totals, most are going to be fairly light. We're not seeing a whole lot. It's not the biggest impact. About ½ of an inch to an inch as we continue with these light rounds each and every day. To the west, that's you can see about 5 to possibly 10 inches on the higher peaks, and further up you go. Otherwise, about 3 to 5 is a good bet for most of our ski areas and throughout this weekend. As far as your 7-day forecast, there's your temperatures in the 40s for the weekend with those breezy winds. Keep an extra layer around. Really not going to see a whole lot of snow for this weekend by any means. As mentioned before, we are keeping a close eye there to the middle of the week. Tuesday, already a weather impact alert day. We are watching for the potential on Monday and Wednesday to add that too as the system works its way here. I think Wednesday has more of that potential. If you look at the temperatures, we're talking the 20s. It's going to be cold, and those overnight lows, what you're waking up to, single digits. So really feeling that frigid air, especially by Thursday morning. Then we'll start to clear things out, but Friday, once more, have another snow chance that we will be tracking. So we'll keep you updated, of course, as all of this works its way here with all of the latest. We thank you for joining us here on 9 News Plus. Hope you have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your weekend.